Is it time to buy or sell Intuit stock? In this video, we will delve into Intuit. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and now we're here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Intuit as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of -0.47%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.16% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 2.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -9.01% to +12.63%. When we consider the long term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of about 19.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 2.16% and 40.21% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $712.80 and $978.30. Our latest daily update for Intuit features the headline: Intuit Incorporated stock price ended at $697.76 on Thursday, after losing 0.199%. The Intuit Incorporated stock price fell by -0.199% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, from $699.15 to $697.76. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.18%, reaching a low of $692.85 and a high of $701. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing a decline of -8.38% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 256,000 shares, despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $813.48, while the lowest price reached $532.65. Currently, the price stands at 14.23%, or $115.72, below the 52-week high of $813.48, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Intuit concluded fiscal year 2025 on a robust note, reporting fourth-quarter earnings per share of $2.75, surpassing the consensus of $2.65, and an increase from $1.99 a year ago. Management highlighted a 20% growth in the quarter and a 16% growth for the entire year. The company has set targets for fiscal year 2026, aiming for double-digit revenue growth and continued expansion of operating margins, emphasizing advancements in AI-powered products across QuickBooks, TurboTax, Credit Karma, and MailChimp. Concurrently, Intuit provided near-term guidance that aligns with expectations, while cautioning that first-quarter revenue growth is anticipated to fall short of estimates due to softer performance from MailChimp. Beyond product results, Intuit announced a global e-invoicing partnership aimed at expanding QuickBooks' reach and introduced MailChimp research on holiday marketing strategies, incremental initiatives to enhance platform adoption. In the short term, the fourth-quarter performance is likely to support the stock, but the lower-than-expected first-quarter outlook and guidance that meets expectations may lead to volatility or profit-taking. Over the long term, the integration of artificial intelligence, margin expansion, and strategic partnerships provide a foundation for potential growth, while ongoing weaknesses at MailChimp or execution missteps could represent the primary risks to that growth. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned INTU an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned INTU an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned INTU an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned INTU an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Also on that day, RBC Capital assigned INTU an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Intuit stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Intuit. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Intuit Inc. shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at levels of $707.75 and $755.26. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 13.58%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 74 days ago. If you wish to discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intuit. Intuit Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $666.07. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.15 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.18%. Throughout the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intuit, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.65. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intuit. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intuit is at $706.09. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Intuit faces its first support level at $666.07. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intuit from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Lauren D. Hotz, who bought and sold 173,885 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 233.086. Overall, insiders purchased 336,737 shares and sold 10,805 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Intuit stock a good buy? Intuit Inc. displays several negative indicators and is currently caught in a broad declining trend. We anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we expect Intuit to open lower by approximately 56 cents, starting at $697.20. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing your money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.